Hi, I'm Yumi, and welcome to the week that was, a 60-second-ish look at what happened this past week at SJII ES. Start the clock. Monday, staff and students in grades 3 to 6 joined our preps on a stunning Singapore morning, excited for an action-packed week back at school. The virtue of this week,
peacefulness.
Tuesday, classes across grade 4 demonstrated excellence, presenting their natural disaster exit points, finishing their IPC unit, What a Wonderful World. Wednesday, we welcome back to school our determined and very enthusiastic grades 1 and 2. Thursday, creativity and perseverance were on display, with grade 5 continuing to build their very own theme parks using co-spaces. Friday, we finished the week off on a high note, with everyone enjoying being back at school with teachers and classmates, already excited for what next week will bring. On behalf of the entire The Week That Was team, I'm Yumi, and we'll see you again next time.